All right, this is followmetrades.com Real Traders Club live session on Tuesday, March 28, 2023. So yesterday the market was up as fears over the banking situation eased, and now it's down just a little bit. It was at the open, not much, and you can see the Dow is now turned green. S&P 500 down quarter point, Nasdaq down 0.7. So, we had the little interruption there for a week or two about concern over banks, and now we're back onto rates, higher rates, pressure market. The shorter term treasury, the 2-year, I believe it is, up over 4%. So, I think that's more, I don't know if I want to say legitimate, but that's rates are definitely have a real impact on the market. Banking things seem to be very well, pretty much localized. Other than the fact that people were pulling money out of small banks, put it in big banks, but the reason for doing it was localized. All right, higher rates pressure the markets. Other news: Alibaba is popping about 10%, going to split into 6 units, do some IPOs, get a little more cash in, and they were up says 9%. Here was up over 10 at the open. In terms of economic news, pretty slow, as we had talked about yesterday. No major news coming out. Tuesday, you got a Fed head speaking, Richmond Manufacturing Index, consumer confidence. It came in higher than expected. Forecast 101 came in at 104, so consumers a little bit more confident now. And later tonight, we got consumer price year over year inflation. So that's an important number. But again, not huge market moving reports. So far, we're not into earnings season yet. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 daily chart. It's always good to be grounded. We got the headlines and sensationalism and all this. But here's what actually is going on, right? How the market participants are responding to all that information. S&P 500 up yesterday, as we said, it opened up, pulled back off those highs, but closed up. And now today we got so far pretty narrow range, down just a little bit, coming up off the lows. And what do we have forming here? Right, again, another wedge or pyramid, flag, whatever people like to call it. It's here, and it is here. And this is the fourth one. We had one here, broke out, nice trade. Had it here, broke out to the downside, nice trade. Broke to the upside, nice trade. So whichever way it breaks here, good chance the market will have some short-term follow through in that direction, and good chance that we will try to capitalize on that. Trade that. Pretty powerful, high probability signal. So that's it. Again, no major news pending. It'll be breaking news, any new developments that move the market until we get out to earnings. Next rate hikes, pretty far out in the future. So we'll see. But it's never dull. Things happen, and we'll be prepared. And that just the other thought is the market is currently, had a downtrend, low, lower, high, low, lower, high. Now we got a high, 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 higher, low. So it's in a bit of an uptrend. But whichever way it breaks out of here, probably going to determine the direction, whether that uptrend continues or it falls apart and heads down. So watch for that. All right, that is the market overview.